Good morning, health warriors. Are you ready to transform your mornings and start your day with energy, focus, and strength? If you're tired of waking up feeling groggy or struggling to find time for the gym, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 10 morning exercises you can do right at home. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, these moves are perfect for everyone. And stick around, because tip number 8 will blow your mind. It's the ultimate secret to a stronger core. Exercise 1, jumping jacks. Full body wake-up call. There's a reason jumping jacks are a classic. This simple yet powerful exercise gets your heart rate up, engages almost every muscle in your body, and instantly boosts your energy. Perfect for kickstarting your metabolism. Jumping jacks are like a wake-up call for your entire system. Do them for 30 seconds to a minute, and you'll feel your blood pumping. Not to mention, they improve coordination and stamina. Pro tip, add a clap at the top to make it more fun and engaging. It's a small twist, but it makes all the difference. Did you know that exercising in the morning not only wakes you up, but also releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones? Imagine feeling happier and more energized all day long, just by moving your body for a few minutes after waking up. Exercise 2, push-ups. Strength for your upper body. Push-ups are a timeless exercise, and for good reason. They work your chest, shoulders, arms, and even your core. Start in a plank position. Lower your body slowly and push back up. Can't do a full push-up yet? No problem. Drop to your knees and build your strength gradually. Do 10 to 15 reps and watch how your upper body gets stronger every week. The beauty of push-ups is their versatility. Try incline or diamond push-ups for an added challenge. Trust me, you'll feel like a superhero after just one set. Exercise 3, squats, the ultimate leg burner. If you want strong toned legs and a firm lower body, squats are non-negotiable. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, push your hips back, and lower yourself as if sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and your knees aligned with your toes. Do 15 to 20 reps, and you'll feel the burn, but that's your body getting stronger. Squats also boost your flexibility and improve your posture. Oh, and here's a bonus. They help activate your glutes. So if you're looking for that lift, squats are your best friend. Want to get more done in your day? Studies show that morning exercises are more productive and focused. Starting your day with movement clears mental fog and sharpens your mind like nothing else. So, why not give it a try? Exercise 4, plank, the core stabilizer. The plank might look simple, but don't let it fool you. It's a powerhouse of an exercise. Holding a plank engages your core, shoulders, back, and even your legs. Start in a push-up position, keep your body straight, and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Over time, aim for a full minute or more. The plank not only strengthens your core, but also improves your posture and balance. It's like the Swiss Army knife of exercises: compact, efficient, and incredibly effective. Exercise 5, high knees, cardio and coordination. Want a cardio burst that also improves your coordination? High knees are your go-to move. Stand tall, lift your knees as high as possible, and alternate quickly. Pump your arms to keep the rhythm and aim for 30 seconds to a minute. This exercise not only gets your heart racing, but also strengthens your hip flexors and tones your legs. Plus, it's super fun. It's like sprinting in place with purpose. Struggling to stick to your fitness routine? The trick is to make it easy and enjoyable. All these exercises can be done in just 15 minutes, and you don't need any fancy equipment. Consistency becomes effortless when you remove the barriers. Exercise 6, lunges, balance and strength. Lunges are fantastic for building leg strength and improving your balance. Take a big step forward, lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle, and then return to the starting position. Alternate legs for 10 to 12 reps per side. Lunges target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while also engaging your core. Feeling adventurous? Try reverse lunges or add light dumbbells for extra resistance. Exercise 7. Mountain climbers. Cardio meets core. Mountain climbers are a dynamic full-body exercise that combines cardio and core work. Start in a plank position, drive one knee towards your chest, and then quickly switch legs, mimicking a climbing motion. This exercise not only burns calories, but also builds endurance and core strength. Aim for 30 seconds, and you'll feel like you've conquered a mountain. Bonus: it's a great way to improve your agility and speed. Here's the thing: working out at home saves you time, money, and the hassle of commuting to a gym. Plus, you can blast your favorite playlist, wear whatever you want, and even take breaks when needed. Home workouts are all about freedom. Exercise 8. Burpees, the full body fat burner. Love them or hate them, burpees are one of the most effective full body exercises out there. Start in a standing position, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, return to the squat, and jump up explosively. Burpees target every major muscle group and torch calories like nothing else. Do 8 to 10 reps and you'll feel the intensity. They're tough, but the results are worth it. Burpees build strength, endurance, and cardiovascular fitness all at once. Exercise 9. Side plank, oblique strengthener. Side planks are a great variation of the traditional plank, targeting your obliques for that toned side core. Lie on your side, prop yourself up on your elbow, and lift your hips off the ground. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. This exercise not only strengthens your core, but also improves your overall stability. If you want to level up, try lifting your top leg or arm. Side planks are a game changer for core definition and balance. Think you need hours to see results? Think again. Even short morning workouts can have a huge impact on your fitness, mood, and overall health. It's all about starting small and staying consistent. Exercise 10. Yoga Sun Salutations, flexibility and mindfulness. End your workout with a calming yet invigorating sequence, Sun Salutations. This yoga flow stretches your entire body, improves flexibility, and sets a mindful tone for the day. Start in a standing position, reach up, fold forward, step back into a plank, lower down, lift into an upward dog, and push back into a downward dog. Repeat this flow 5 to 8 times. Sun Salutations are not only great for your body, but also for your mind. They help you feel grounded and ready to take on the day. Your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Starting with even a few minutes of movement can improve your mood, energy, and productivity. So why not invest in yourself first thing in the morning? And there you have it, the top 10 morning exercises to do at home. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Choose a few exercises to start with, stay consistent, and watch your mornings transform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. And hey, which exercise will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time.